Hi guys, today I am back with a dollar drum. You can see it. If you want this making procedure, you can comment below. This is homemade dollar drum for security. And if you want to know the name of the items and other procedure items, then you can comment below. Okay, you can look at it. Okay, let's try it. Okay, now you can see the door is closed, and when I open the door like this, you can see after opening the door, the bell is ringing. You can hear its noise. Okay, we can put it again. Okay, let's see it again. If a thieves come and open the door, then the bell ring like this, and we can come and catch the thief. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.